Okay, for example 6, divide 45,000 by 0.0018. So the division idea for scientific notation looks like this. A times 10 to the nth power divided by B times 10 to the nth power equals A divided by B times 10 to the n minus m. It is top minus bottom for this. Negative powers are allowed to happen in scientific notation. Where yesterday when we were simplifying algebraic expressions with powers, we didn't want negative powers, so we always put the answer where the bigger power was, subtracted big minus small when we did division. With this, we do the top minus the bottom power. Negative powers are allowed. So, if I'm looking at 45,000, in scientific notation, that is 4.5 times 10 to the 4th power. I had to make 45,000 4 decimal places smaller, so I have to make my power positive 4. And then 0.0018 is going to be 1.8 times 10 to the negative 3rd power. I had to move the decimal point 3 spaces over, making it bigger, so I have to make my power smaller, so negative. So if I apply this rule over here, to get my abscissa, I'm going to divide 4.5 by 1.8. So 1.8 into 4.5. 18 goes into 45 2 times, that's 36, subtract and get 9, and 18 goes into 90 5 times, no remainder, so 2.5 is the result of that. Okay, this is the place where people mess up on scientific notation division. I'm going to tell you how to not mess up. I'm going to tell you how to get the right answer 100% of the time, and 5 of you won't do it this way because you are too good for that and you don't think that I have any idea of what in the world you're going to do wrong because I've only been teaching for 28 years. So let me show you what you need to do if you want to get the right answer every single time. I promise you this works. What we're supposed to do is take the top minus the bottom power. Here's what I'm going to do. It's crazy what I'm about to do here, but this is how you do it. You take the top power, you put a minus sign, then you put the bottom power. Actually write that on your paper so your eyes can see it. Okay? I didn't modify the powers whatsoever. The rule specifically says I'm supposed to subtract two numbers. There's one of the numbers, there's the other number, and there I am subtracting the two numbers, right? Then before you do the subtraction, make it into a good algebraic addition subtraction problem so there's not this minus happening. What's 4 plus 3 is what the end result of that is. What does 4 plus 3 equal?
7.
7. So 2.5 times 10 to the 7th is the right answer to this problem. If you look at it and try and do it in your head, 4 minus 3 equals 1 is what most of you want to do because you see subtraction, here's subtraction, no subtraction, that's what you want to do. If you write it on your paper, I promise you, you'll see it with your eyes. Hey, look, that's minus, that means plus. That happens a lot, right? So allow yourself the ability to see that. If you do that, you're more likely to get the right answer every time. Once again, 2.5 is in between our 1 to 10, so that's in good shape. If this number were not between 1 and 10 here, then I need to modify it into a good scientific notation answer.